A lot of women are trying to get pregnant, but they are not timing it correctly. Some are too early, some are too late, while some don't really understand what ovulation really is. In this video, I'm going to use this diagram to explain ovulation in the simplest possible way. So, this diagram is showing the female reproductive organs. This is the vagina. It receives the penis during intercourse. This is the cervix. It is the mouth of the womb. It opens slightly during period to allow menstrual blood flow through and opens fully during labor to allow for the birth of the baby. Now, this is the womb. It is the cavity of the uterus. This is the uterus. This is where the baby develops during pregnancy. This are the fallopian tubes. Why these are the ovaries? The tiny cycles you see inside the ovaries are called follicles. They are tiny sacs filled with fluid, and inside of those fluid are eggs. So the ovaries store eggs in a woman's body. Now, every month, the ovary matures an egg, and when that egg is matured, it is released. The process of release of that matured egg is called ovulation. So let's say in our diagram, ovulation happens on this side. This red dot is the egg that was released. After the egg is released, it is received by the fallopian tube. The egg enters the fallopian tube and waits there. So our egg is waiting there. Now, this moment is very important in a woman's menstrual cycle because for pregnancy to happen, this egg must be available. Now, during intercourse, the penis deposits semen in the vagina. That semen contains millions of sperm cells. So, these are the sperm cells. Now, these sperm cells start a journey. They begin a journey. They enter the uterus through the cervix and then they move into the fallopian tubes. Now, millions of sperm cells are released, but only one is going to fertilize the egg. And the meeting point of the egg and the sperm is in the fallopian tube. So that is where fertilization is going to take place. Now, this sperm cell is the fastest. It came and fertilized the egg. Now, after fertilization, the fertilized egg becomes a zygote. So over the next few days, over the next 5 to 6 days, the zygote journeys into the uterus and attaches itself to the lining of the uterus. So that process of attaching to the lining of the uterus is called implantation. And when implantation happens, we say pregnancy has happened successfully. Now, here is what you need to know about timing intercourse to get pregnant. The egg can only survive for about 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. Meanwhile, the sperm can survive for up to 5 days in a woman's body. And this is very, very important because it means that the sperm can already be in the body even before ovulation happens and still remain alive in the fallopian tube waiting for the egg. So the goal is for the sperm to already be present and ready for when the egg is released. This is why pregnancy is most likely about 4 days before ovulation and on the ovulation day itself. This period of time is called the fertile window. So, if you have regular cycles, ovulation usually happens about 14 days before your next period. So, you need to know how to calculate your cycle length so that you'll be able to estimate when you are most likely to ovulate for women with regular cycles. So, if you are going to take only one thing from this video, remember that ovulation is the release of a matured egg from the ovary, and that egg must be available for pregnancy to happen. So, if you want to get pregnant, you need to time intercourse around when ovulation happens. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you learned something from this video, please watch my other videos on how to calculate your safe days and fertile days for women with irregular cycles, how to count your menstrual cycle length, and also check out my video on early pregnancy signs before a missed period. I will see you in those videos. Until then, stay healthy and be kind to yourself.